What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Genesis G80 started if the key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery in the key fob or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Genesis G80 started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2018 G80 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm gonna get a message here saying key not detected. So what we're gonna do is take the top of the key fob and use that to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like you normally would, come over here, and that's it. And then you'll need to replace the battery in the key fob as soon as possible. And we actually have a video on how to do that, and I'll put a link to that in the description box of this video. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.